It's all dusty from cleaning up a bunch of computers. Pretty much to give you instructions. They give you two actual extenders. One has a brush, and I actually use a brush a lot, especially if you're gonna get into some nut and crannies, some little edges that you can't reach. This is a perfect thing. Now, if you're not using it, you can always put it back here and put this one extended here. And this is just a regular blower here. But I'm going to keep this one pretty much. This is the one that I'm going to be using the most. And this one right here in particular, I'm just going to leave it there so you won't lose it. A couple of ways to turn it on. So first of all, there is a charging station here. It's a micro USB right here, if you guys can see it right in the back. Instruction, 5 volts, of course. Simple. So if you hold on to it, it's going to start throwing air. And if you let it go, it stops. But if you double click on it, automatically you don't have to do anything. Just keep blowing it, and that's pretty much it. So as powerful as you think it is, look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to hold the paper. It's pretty powerful. And it's loud. So how loud is it? Let's get to test it out. So we're going to put a sound barrier, a sound tester here. And we'll put slow and fast, all right? So I'm going to stop talking. So I took it around 3 feet away, and it still was a little close to 100. So it's pretty loud. It's pretty, and you can see the motor from here, how powerful it is. It's like a turbo engine. It's not bad. So this thing alone is pretty handy, especially if you work in IT. If you work in cleaning computers and other dusty areas, this is a perfect thing. Now, charging is not that hard. All you have to do is plug it in, leave it there for a couple minutes, and you should be done. So instructions, very simple. They give you instructions how to use the whole thing and how to charge it up itself. So we're gonna go ahead and clean some of the, as you can see, this is our radiator, and we push the button. Whoa, whew.